Awesome Cadecraft Baking presents SoftBake Cooking. This new SoftBake bread recipe is premium and you can add toppings if desired. Let's get cooking. Today on Awesome Cadecraft Cooking, SoftBakes bread pies. You need 1/3 cup flour, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons butter melted. First, you'll want to get your ingredients. Remember to melt the butter. First, mix your butter, your egg, and water in a small bowl. Also, remember to set your oven to 375 and bake. Now, mix 1 1/3 cup flour into a larger separate bowl. Also add your salt and baking powder. Whisk these ingredients together. Pour your first bowl with the egg and other ingredients into the flour bowl. Whisk them thoroughly. After mixing, then add a piece of parchment paper on top of a small pan. Mix the dough with your hands and then spread it onto the baking sheet. Make sure your bread is a 1/2 centimeter thick. Once you've finished and the oven has finished heating, bake until golden. Now you should be done baking. You can add other toppings such as cheese when it is in the oven for 5 more minutes. The bread should have a soft and springy consistency. You have completed your premium soft bake recipe with Awesome Cadecraft Baking.